Remember, fiber plays a crucial role in reversing insulin resistance, in controlling type 2 diabetes, and even in trying to cut out that belly fat. I've made a list of 10 fiber foods that are very easy to find and loaded with amazing nutrients. One is chia seeds. These seeds are very tiny but very nutrient dense, filled with fiber, filled with omega-3. They expand in the stomach and they keep you full for longer. 2, lentils. These are low glycemic, best for heart health, loaded with fiber, with potassium, with folate. 3 is my favorite, a broccoli. One of the best for digestion, good for hormone synthesis, and loaded with fiber. 4 is avocados. Best choice for healthy fats, fiber, magnesium, and a full spectrum of vitamins. And number 5, hummus. Great source of fiber, but also a beautiful plant-based protein source. You can use this in your stews or even in your salads. 6 is berries. Low in sugar, very high in fiber, and a beautiful source of antioxidants. 7, Brussels sprouts. These are anti-inflammatory, very high in fiber, and they really support immune system. Also a great source in balancing hormones. Number 8, quinoa. Very high in fiber, but also a great source of different minerals. And also you could use it in place of rice or pasta. It will be a better choice. Number 9, almonds. Easy to eat on the go and yet very powerful in stabilizing blood sugar levels as well as cholesterol levels. Number 10, beans. It can be kidney beans, black beans, sugar beans, you name it. A great source of fiber, but also a plant-based protein source.